Hey guys, I hope you are having a fantastic weekend. I know some of you are waiting for my Drunk Elephant long haul. It is coming. It's just a lot of information to put together, so I'm hoping to have it up by the end of next week. Today's video is a short one. I will be showing what I picked up during the FabFitFun edit sale for the fall. I recently realized I was doing my empties video and I realized how often I said I got this from the FabFitFun edit sale, but I never actually show what I pick up. The edit sale occurs seasonally after the quarterly box ships, and the sale includes so many different kinds of items. They have body care, skincare, makeup, jewelry, clothing, and all of it is at a very deep discount. So I'm going to show what I picked up and then everything that I saved money on. It's very exciting. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and let's go ahead and get into it. I want to mention real quick before getting into the goods, I have been waiting for 2 hours to film because there's some kind of construction going on across the way. It sounds like a big truck just backing up repeatedly. It's that kind of noise. Hopefully it stopped for good. I don't know if it has though, so it may come up in the middle of my video. I'm apologizing now in case it does. I can't really help it. I just want to get this video up. I'm just going to grab things out as I see fit. They are in no particular order. So this is from Somerville and it is the goat milk cleanser. It says on the front that it is for sensitive skin. My friend Polly was talking to me about this cleanser. I really am particular when it comes to cleansers. I like something that foams up a little bit and gives me that clean feeling, but because I'm dry, I also like it to be creamy, and she recommended this cleanser to me. So when I saw it on the list, I knew I had to have it. It says you can use it morning and night. It says on the back that it's goat milk, has natural milk polypeptides, and then also Manuka honey. I love honey on the skin, and it is also sulfate free. I'm going to open it. I'm not going to use it for probably a little while. I have like 4 or 5 cleansers currently opened, and I'm trying to get through them. So that is what the packaging looks like. It's a pretty lavender color there. I wonder if I can smell it without... No, there's a seal on it, so I'm not going to smell it. I'm not going to open it. I hope that's not too disappointing. If you guys want an update on this when I do start using it, let me know. This one is $38 originally, and I paid $19 for it, so that is a $19 savings. I have never bought anything from Somerville, but I have tried a sample of Exfoliate. It was so long ago, I don't really remember my thoughts on it, but they had a promotion that when you spend $100 on the edit sale, you get an Exfoliate for free. I just looked this up. It's 50 mil or 1.7 fluid ounces. This is $75. So I spent $100 and got a $75 product for free. That's really cool. It has papaya, so there's some enzymatic exfoliation going on. There's pumpkin in here. Aloe leaf juice powder. This I'll actually test out because I don't have any exfoliants currently opened. It's green. I did not expect it to be green. Yeah, so there's little bits of something in there. Very fine though. Smells interesting. I guess just natural. I can maybe get a little bit of the pumpkin. I'm too lazy to get up and wipe my hands, so I'm just going to use a makeup wipe that's right here. Feels pretty smooth on the hand. I look forward to trying it out on my skin. I don't use a physical exfoliant too often, maybe sometimes before a mask, usually about once a week or every other week. Let me know if you have other products that you like from Somerville because I'm always curious about new brands, and like I said, I'm new to this one. This next one, I don't know why I got this except for the fact that it was super discounted. I have been wanting to try these. These are the Isle of Paradise self-tanning drops. This is in medium. I had this on my list over the summer for my Sephora wish list in the fair shade, but this was the only one they had on the edit sale. As you can see, I'm fair to light. I don't tan very often. I somehow got a little bit of a tan like on my hands and on my face this summer. I was wearing sunscreen, but something gave me a tan. Anyway, I don't often use fake self-tanners. I have tan towels that I do really enjoy, but I maybe use them 2 or 3 times a year. But this has been getting rave reviews. This I got for $9, and the original price is $29, so I had to pick it up. It says you can use this if you use 1 to 12 drops, and you just mix it into your normal body cream. So even though it's the medium shade, I feel like I can give myself a gradual tan by just doing 1 or 2 drops in it. I do want to see what it smells like, just because tanners are notorious for having bad scents. This smells like cucumber melon. It smells really good. Have to see once it develops if that kind of scent stays around. It's pretty strong actually, like a synthetic kind of fragrance, but it's not bad. The next thing I picked up was an item of jewelry. I don't often go for the jewelry on FabFitFun. I do receive some of it in my regular box, but it's not something I often will wear. I have a necklace that I wear every day that's usually tangled up while I'm filming, and then I also wear the same earrings, but every now and then I see something cute. These are that something cute. These are avocado earrings. I love how simple they are. They aren't like in your face though, like, oh, I have avocados on. They're super simple and kind of classy. And they're a little bit smaller than I thought they would be, which I like because obviously I like to wear small studs. They came in this little corkscrew tube, which is also really cute. I could use that for something else. So while I'm taking these out, these are originally $40 and I paid $19 for them. So that's a $21 savings. Yes, I wrote down all the calculations because I cannot do that in my head. And there they are in. I think they're so simple and cute and understated. They look great with my other jewelry that I have in. I realized while I was putting them in, one of them has the pit and the other one does not, which is a super cute detail. I love me some avocado. I'm an avocado hoe, if you will. I love me some guacamole, so this just represents that fact, and I'm super happy with these. I have gotten jewelry through the edit sale that I didn't love. There isn't always a model, so you can't really see what it actually looks like on, which is a little bit frustrating. I have ordered a couple things that I didn't really like, so these I am very happy with. And I just realized I probably should have said this. The designer is Chris Nations. ChrisNations.com is where you can pick those up. Next thing I got is something I totally don't need. It's a cosmetic pouch, but this thing is freaking adorable, so I had to get it. This is $26 originally. I paid $12, so that is a savings of $14. The designer here is Map Tote, and look how cute it is. I'm about to travel away to Salem for a couple days, and I thought it would be a good size. I do have other cosmetic bags. I actually have so many of them, but a lot of them are half this size, so this is a perfect size for me for actually traveling and not just carrying makeup in my purse. So I had to pick this up. I just thought it was super cute. It feels like pretty thick canvas kind of material that should hold up really well. No pockets or anything, but I don't really need them. I'll probably end up throwing a couple skincare items in here, or maybe even some brushes and hairspray. I didn't really need it, but it's cute. The next thing I got, I can't show you because it is missing. I just emailed FabFitFun, so hopefully they get back to me soon. I ordered a sponge gel. I was talking about them in my empties video. I don't know how you say it. It is a sponge that lathers, so your soap is already in it. I got a duo in the Black Orchid scent, which should be nice. I hope it's nice. The normal price for them is $28. I paid $11, so that is a $17 savings. I hope they get back to me soon. I've never had a missing item in any of my regular boxes or in a sale or edit sale box that I've ordered, so hopefully this isn't a normal thing and I get it soon. Next thing I got was a set. They have bundles that are on the top of the edit sale page of things that usually have some sort of theme. So this was the pumpkin spice theme, and they are at an even greater discount than if you were to just buy them by themselves. So they go really fast. So in the bundle was from Grande Lips. This is a lip plumper in pumpkin spice gloss, and then also from Craft & Foster, a baked pumpkin candle. I really had no interest in this, but the single version of the candle was sold out, so I just went ahead and bought the bundle. The bundle was $14 and originally it is $49. That is a savings of $35. Let's go ahead and smell this candle, see if I like it. It is a soy candle. Smells like a baked pumpkin. Smells pretty good to me. We'll see how that burns. And then this, I don't have a lot of lip plumpers. This says in 3 to 5 minutes, 90% fuller looking lips. I'm going to go ahead and put it on. I am wearing a liquid lipstick from Melt Cosmetics. These are fairly new. They are called the Undertone Nudes. I can't remember what this color is called, but I'll have it linked down below. I can't decide if I like it or if it looks like diarrhea. You let me know below. I saw some influencer wearing it and I was like, oh, I have to have that. But I can't tell if I like it. So we'll see if I like this gloss on top. How do you use this? I guess it pumps. What the hell? Oh, you have to twist it. maybe. Here it comes. Oh, okay. Oh, this has got a lot of color. I kind of like overdrew my lips today, and I feel like I'm terrible at overdrawing my lips. Like, I feel like it looks so obvious whenever I do. But maybe that's just because I know it's there. I don't know, guys. I don't really see anything yet. I do like the color the two lip products made together. I think it looks pretty cool. I don't really feel a plumping, maybe a little bit, but not like anything too intense. Usually they have that really intense kind of peppermint plumping kind of feeling to the lips, and I don't really feel that. So we'll see if I start to blow up while I show my next product. So this was a brand I've never heard of. It's GAIA by Neon & Co. This was a duo as well. They're sold together. This was a bath duo, $61. Originally, I paid $19, and it's $42 of savings. This is Marshmallow Bubble Bath. Ooh. And then Marshmallow Buttercream. I love to take baths, and so does my husband. We take them together a lot of the times. That's kind of like our thing to do together. They had this scent, and they also had a chocolate. He's not a fan of chocolate, and I knew he would like the marshmallow. No. It smells kind of weird. It kind of smells like cherries. It says it's SLS free. It says it has aloe vera juice and pro vitamin B5. Super sweet cherry scent. It is cherry. Brings a note of candies and marshmallows in your bathroom. Why would it be called marshmallow bubble bath if it is cherry bubble bath? Oh, it's like thick. It's like icing. Totally smells like cherries, cough medicine, cherry kind of scent. Maybe it'll grow on me. George will like it, but it's not my thing. It's really not so bad once it dissipates. At first, I was getting a lot of that cough medicine scent, but now it's just kind of soft. I don't think I'm gonna mind it as much as I thought I would. Do my lips look fuller? I think they look exactly the same. I think I got a little extra gloss right there. Getting a little messy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was a quick one. If you stuck around and watched it, even if you have no interest in FabFitFun, I thank you. This way you do get to see some products that I may be reviewing in the future. If there's anything you would like an update on, let me know. And if you do get FabFitFun, did you get anything from the edit sale? Let me know what you picked up. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you would like to see me and more of my remarks, do go ahead and subscribe. I thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you, and I will see you soon.